Hi. Yeah, we finished the exam now. So what I'm going to do now is that I have to go up to get lunch somewhere with my friends again, and then we have to go down to Tesco again and get more stuff. So yeah, but I have to go back to school again to do some revision lessons with my teachers. So it's kind of a bit. I have to go call these people now to see if they're going to wait for me or not, because they never wait for me. Ever. They never wait for me. It's so warm out.
Say hi.
No, he doesn't like being in the vlogs.
Lovely weather.
Why were you so weird?
We're in a good bit because you didn't notice.
Well,
I think I know when it was.
When?
It was when we lay down in the grass
When?
with Elsa.
When
And
today?
Dylan and stuff.
So we're sitting in YY's house, isn't that right, YY? This is your house?
Yeah, kind of.
What? Oh yeah, I know what you mean.
What do I mean?
Fanny's so scared of it. Thanks, Fanny. So, well, can I publish your
I drew that.
No.
Oh, I see a Dina.
Draw that one though.
There's a Dina off the port bow. You need your passport to get in here. Okay. Why? How do I open the door? There's no key! Where did I see her from here? Hi! Look at these guys.
Do you ever get it that you like go in between the escalators and then you spin?
Yeah, I thought you were talking about it.
Yeah.
That's what she's talking about. It's like you stand here and you spin.
It's really sore. It hurts.
Ooh. Cross vlogging. House. This is so cool. Look where I am. I'm on top. This is like probably no, maybe not 100 meters. Probably about 50 meters down. Look at the church behind me. I'm on top of the roof. There's someone down there. Look at all the seagulls. And that's just beautiful. It really is. Okay,
Let's go.
You guys lost. Mr. Swag does not like being in photos. Oh. Come back. Mi pantalones is falling down. Okay, that's enough of that. So basically, that's it today. I'm going back now. So I'm going to end the vlog here. I'm trying to be quiet because everyone's looking. I shouldn't be ashamed of this. Wow, I'm not ashamed of you guys. Okay, so yeah. Bye. See you tomorrow. Thank you for watching Kyle's Journey TV. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it. Bye, friends.